Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro. Today we're going to go over some helpful tips to install your RV shades. So when installing RV shades, the flat part of the clip will slide into a trench onto the shade, and then you'll have to twist the shade back until it snaps into place. You should be able to hear it when it snaps into place, and you can also look underneath it and see a metal piece holding the shade up itself. If your shades aren't holding themselves up anymore, what this mostly is caused by is the strings being loose going to the roller tubes. To fix this problem, all you have to do is loosen up the roller tubes and then pull some of the excess string out through the holes. This should be easily done by going straight down on pulling on the knot on the string, and then retighten the roller tubes to the wall. All the excess string can be wrapped around the roller tubes, and this should hold your shade up back into place again. Now, if you're still having trouble keeping your roller shades up or the string to stay tightened, you may have to move your roller tube. This is because loosening and tightening a screw to your RV wall too many times will cause the screw to lose its grip and fall out of your wall. And if you'd like to see more videos like this or some of our installation videos, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.